on the frets. We're going to continue with our Aadd9 chords today, and I am going to show you the Aadd9 chord. So let's take a look at it real quick. Well, alright, so what we're going to do here is we're going to take our index finger and put it on the second fret of the D string. Take your pinky, put it on the fourth fret of the G string, and then you're going to take your middle finger and put it here on the second fret of the B string, and we're going to play from the A string all the way down through the high E string. So 5 strings. And that is your A, Aadd9. And so one more time, we've got the open A, your index fingers here on the second fret of the D string, your pinkies on 4th fret G string, and your middle finger is on the B string on the 2nd fret, and again you've got the open high E in there, so 5 strings. Alright, so there is your Aadd9 chord. I hope you enjoyed that lesson, and if you did find any value in it, please take a minute and hit the subscribe button. And remember, if you need any more info, just check the description down below. And with that, keep watching, keep practicing, and you will keep getting better. And we'll see you next time.